Happy Friday. We're off to a beautiful start this morning. Big eye cam showing clear skies looking out west, but of course dealing with a little bit of haze over in the East Mountains and in parts of the metro area here, but more of it actually over in Los Alamos this morning. 70 degrees right now in Albuquerque. Winds light out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. Relative humidity up from yesterday up to 36%. So we are slowly starting to see the moisture work its way into the metro, and we will continue to see that trend, especially for the second half of this weekend and early next week. Los Alamos right now 64, winds on the south-southwest at 6 miles per hour, and visibility now reduced to 5 miles. So we are seeing that hazy thick smoke this morning that will disperse a bit today, with winds staying consistently out of the southwest and then likely settle in again tonight. Relative humidity there 37%. We will be looking at that, of course, increasing this weekend with much better chances for rain, thunderstorm activity up in the northern mountains as we head through the weekend. Today, though, you could see a few more isolated thunderstorms in the Jemez and the Sangre de Cristo. Even the high terrain in the western part of the state. Some of these could produce heavy rain, so we'll have to watch for flooding, especially since they're going to be such slow movers. Now, going into the weekend, highs going to shift to the east, and this is a good thing for us. That's going to allow us to tap into some of the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and help get the monsoonal flow going for us by Sunday. Some more moisture moving in, and that's going to mean rain chances going up, especially just west of the central mountain chain, back across the western half of New Mexico, and even up in the north and northeast. So this is where we're going to see the favored areas for shower and thunderstorm activity popping up in the afternoons, central and west, and that starts again Sunday, but especially Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Your forecast now for the northwest: partly cloudy today with a few isolated thunderstorms. 95 in Farmington, 90 in Grants, with lows tonight down into the 40s and 50s for Durango. Mid-60s for Farmington. Rain chances go up for the Four Corners this weekend through the early part of next week. In Durango, you're looking at least the chance for an afternoon thunderstorm all the way through next Thursday. South and west, a few spot storms, otherwise really hot. 100 degrees in Deming, 101 in Lordsburg, Silver City, 90 this afternoon, upper 80s tomorrow, and then temperatures starting to go down a little bit for the early part of next week as we get a little more moisture in, and of course rain chances go up too. South and east, mostly sunny skies and really baking this afternoon. 102 in Artesia, Carlsbad topping out at 105, and we're staying with the triple digits through tomorrow. Next week, with a little more moisture, we fall back to the mid-90s in Roswell and even have a slight chance for a few thunderstorms in the afternoon. North and east, partly sunny with a few spot thunderstorms. Temps will really climb today. 98 in Conchas, 104 in Tucumcari. Low 90s for Las Vegas, though, and then back into the low 80s for the early part of next week with scattered afternoon showers and storms. Northern mountains, partly cloudy, scattered storms developing again this afternoon with highs in the 80s and 90s. Santa Fe staying up near 90 through this weekend, then low to mid 80s Tuesday and Wednesday with more moisture moving in. East mountains, partly cloudy. A few isolated thunderstorms are possible this afternoon with highs in the low to mid 90s. And for the metro, 98 in the South Valley, nearly 100 degrees in Belen, 97 downtown. Mid-90s this weekend. A few thunderstorms are possible each afternoon. Best chances, though, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.